From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello everyone, I'm student meteorologist Nick Guzzo here with your Campus Weather Service forecast for Friday, February 5th. And we have quite a bit to talk about as we start heading into the weekend. The busy weather pattern continues. We saw multiple chances for snow this past week, and that's going to continue as we head into this weekend and into the next work week. Looking at Beaver Stadium right now, seeing that cloud cover starting to break up as we did see some flakes flying earlier this morning and late last night. Didn't see much of accumulation across the Commonwealth with that. But temperatures right now sitting into the upper 30s. And also note the wind, currently at 16 miles per hour, expecting that to continue throughout the day with winds being in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Gusts potentially getting into the 20s. Looking at temperatures across central Pennsylvania, seeing mostly 30s, Harrisburg and Selinsgrove already getting into the 40s. Across the Commonwealth, seeing pretty much the same, cooler to the west, warmer to the east. Philadelphia getting into the low 40s, while Pittsburgh and Franklin are sitting in the low 30s. Now, satellite and radar, not a whole lot to talk about, seeing that lingering cloud cover with that cold front that had moved through earlier this morning. We are still seeing some lingering flurries across parts of southwestern Pennsylvania and the northern tier of Pennsylvania as well. Taking a wider view of satellite and radar, seeing that precipitation that had moved through earlier in this morning and last night is now moving into parts of New England, and that's going to continue to work its way off of the northeast as we head into the later part of Friday. For us here in the Commonwealth, tracking it out into this afternoon, seeing some lingering flurries for parts of Pennsylvania as we start heading into the afternoon on Friday. Could even see some lake-induced precipitation as well across parts of western Pennsylvania, and that could also move into parts of the northern tier and western Pennsylvania as well. Also note temperatures starting to drop as we head into Saturday as well. We will start to clear out as an area of high pressure moves in on Saturday and really lets that cloud cover start to break up. As we start heading into Sunday, tracking our next system, a potential coastal storm that'll be moving across parts of New England as well, where we could see chance for snow once again. And here's just another view of it as we start heading into the early part of Sunday, right around breakfast time, or if you're maybe going to church, things like that. You could start to see chance for snow across, especially eastern Pennsylvania, lesser of a snow chance for western Pennsylvania as you get further away from the coast, but really starting to see the coastal impacts and that snow cover spreading across parts of New England throughout the day on Sunday. Now as we start heading into Monday, clearing out once again as another area of high pressure moves in, but do start to see that cloud cover increasing as we head into the evening hours of Monday, maybe as we're starting to go to bed. Then as we start heading into Tuesday, another round of potential snow as we head into the morning hours of Tuesday, something to be aware of for your morning commute, as we're seeing that snow cover starting to work its way in from the west. And that's really going to bring a mixed bag of precipitation as we head throughout the day on Tuesday, starting potentially as snow and then maybe seeing a mix to rain as we head into the afternoon and evening hours on Tuesday. So make sure you stay tuned to the forecast so you make sure you are prepared for what the system may have to throw at us. And then today, getting a break from the snow cover that we've been seeing the last couple days with the multiple days where we were seeing snowfall. We had that nor'easter earlier in the week. Today we saw some flakes flying earlier in the day, but now we're just seeing some lingering cloud cover. Temperatures here in central Pennsylvania getting into the mid to upper 30s, but also it will be a bit windy out there, so it's going to feel a bit chillier than 35 degrees out there, with gusts potentially today getting into the 20s. Now overnight, clouds will be holding in place and lows will be dropping into the low 20s, but the winds will start to die down a bit as well. Tomorrow, seeing the sunshine return, we did see a lot of snow this week, multiple areas across the Commonwealth seeing 10 to 20 inches of snow, and it's going to be some sunshine for Saturday. Perfect opportunity if you love playing in the snow. It's the day to do it and get out there, maybe go sledding, build a snowman with winds, but you have to be aware of the winds as well. It's still going to be a bit breezy out there, gusts potentially getting into the 20s once again. And this is perfect snowman opportunity for Saturday because look at the temperatures for the 7-day. Not really expecting a major opportunity to melt your snowman that you might be making because we're going to be sitting into the upper 20s to low 30s, but also look at those low temperatures Sunday night getting into the single digits, back into the 20s for a low on Monday night, but then as we start heading into Wednesday night, potentially back in the single digits once again. And look at this multiple opportunities for snow heading into Sunday with that coastal system. Then we have a potential system moving in Tuesday and Wednesday in from the west. So make sure you stay tuned to the forecast. Definitely a lot going on with this weather pattern we have set up. So make sure you stay tuned and so you can be prepared. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Nick Guzzo, and I hope you have a lovely day and are able to enjoy some of the sunshine this coming weekend.